Why do we see so many attractive, good-looking women who are in love with their boyfriends who are basically useless bums? They don't have anything going on for them and they make the girl pay for everything. And yet she will still look at him with eyes full of love. The bum boyfriend is getting the special treatment of love and care that most good-looking and high-value men don't get. Why is that? I want to let the women know that the only reason that you would hold on to that is because of your past trauma and not believing you deserve better. The reason why you're attracting these men is because it's what's stored as being safe for you. It's what you can control. It's what's familiar. And it may have even been what you've always known. It's time to break the cycle. It's time to know that there are good, high-value men out there who are genuinely good for you. It's time to trust again. It's time to trust in the unknown and trust in the good of men. That there are men out there who are good for you. No matter what your past experiences or references has been, the past doesn't have to equal the future. The future can be created by believing in something new and something that's far better than what you've ever had before.